Welcome Blue Star students. Today we are going to see the topic, continuation of the topic, understanding quadrilaterals. Okay, in the last class we have seen about the definition of polygon. What is the definition of polygon? A simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called polygon. Curves that are polygon, that are not polygon. Examples of curves that are polygon and curves that are not polygon அப்படின்றத பார்த்தோம். Then classification of polygons. If the number of sides is 3 அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா what is the name of that figure? That is called a triangle. So this is the figure of triangle. Okay, about the number of sides is given, we write the name of that. If 4 sides are, that name is quadrilateral. 5 sides are given, it is called a pentagon. This is the figure of pentagon. Okay, next, so if the figure having 6 sides, it is called hexagon. Next, so if the figure have 7 sides, it is called heptagon. Then if the figure has 8 sides, it is called octagon. Okay, then 9 sides, nonagon. 10 sides, decagon. Suppose n sides, it is a general name of that n-gon. Okay, next we saw the definition of diagonal. We saw the definition of diagonal. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. So diagonals, it is very important. In the base money we will see the sums. Okay, so diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices. So two non-consecutive vertices join பண்ணக்கூடிய அந்த line இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா SQ அப்படின்றது non-consecutive. ஓகேவா, இது join பண்ணது ஒரு line, that is called a diagonal. அடுத்து PR. ஓகேவா, so this is here in a rectangle having two diagonals. Okay, then convex and concave polygon. If convex polygon, all internal angles are less than 180 degree. So what is convex polygon? If the polygon having that internal angles are less than 180 degree, இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா all the angles are less than 180 degree, that is called convex polygon. In concave polygon, at least one angle is reflex. That is, and the given angles one angle is minimum, one angle should be less than 180 degree. That is called concave polygon. Okay, so see this figure. These are concave polygon. Next, the regular and irregular polygon. What is a regular polygon? A regular polygon is both equiangular and equilateral. Regular polygon எப்படி இருக்கும்னா equiangular ஆவும் இருக்கும், equilateral. What is the meaning of equilateral? All the sides are equal. What is the meaning of equiangular? All the angles are equal. Okay, in square பாத்தீங்கன்னா all the sides are கண்டிப்பா equal இருக்கும், then all the angles also 90 degree. Okay, so it is called irregular polygon. Square is a regular polygon. Okay, then next one, irregular polygon. What is the definition of irregular polygons? Irregular, each side and angle of a polygon are not equal. Side angle not equal, that is called irregular polygon. See, this is a triangle, it is right angle triangle. Here all the sides are unequal, all the angles also unequal, so it is a irregular polygon. Next one is angle sum property. The sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So given triangle interior angle, three angles add பண்ணும்போது we get the total angle is 180 degree. Okay, this is angle sum property. The sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, next exercise 3.1. Given here are some figures. Classify each of them on the basis of the following. Which figures are simple curve, simple closed curve, polygon, convex polygon, concave polygon அப்படின்றது. So we know the definitions of all the given questions. Okay, so using the definition we find out which figure is simple curve. As we take simple curve. Simple curve, it is a curve that does not intersect itself. Simple curve, it's a curve, and intersect பண்ணிக்காது அதுக்கிட்டேயே அப்படின்றது தான் definition. So that see the figure. First one is a simple curve, second also simple curve, and the definition satisfy பண்றது 1, 2, then fifth figure, then 6, 7. இது எல்லாமே பாத்தீங்க அப்படினீங்கன்னா simple curve. Okay, next question is simple closed curve கேக்குறாங்க. What is the definition of simple closed curve? A closed curve if does not pass through one point more than once. ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல ஒரு தடவைக்கு மேல அது பாஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. That is called simple closed curve. So அப்ப simple curveல வந்த எல்லா ஃபிகருமே நமக்கு simple closed curveல வந்தது. Next, polygon. A simple closed curve made up of only line segment. இப்ப தான் definition அதுக்கு எழுதினோம்ல. A simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called polygon. So அப்ப லைன் செக்மெண்ட் மட்டும் யூஸ் பண்ணி சிம்பிளாக இருந்ததுன்னா இட் இஸ் கால்டு பாலிகன். ஸோ 1 and 2 மட்டும்தான் நமக்கு வந்து பாலிகன் லைன் செக்மெண்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணி வரும். ஓகே, தென் கான்வெக்ஸ் பாலிகன். ஸோ 1, 2 பாலிகன்னா அதில் அந்த 1 and 2ல விச் இஸ் கான்வெக்ஸ் விச் இஸ் கான்கேவ்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். இப்போ கான்வெக்ஸ்னா வி ஆல் நோ ஆல் த இன்டீரியர் ஆங்கிள்ஸ் ஆர் லெஸ் தென் 180 டிகிரி அப்படின்னு சொன்னோம். அப்போ a polygon that has all its interior angles are 180. அப்போ இந்த 1 and 2ல which is having less than 180 degreeனா 2 only. So 2 is a convex polygon. Okay, then next question is concave polygon. Concave polygon na enna solirukkom, a polygon that has at least one interior angle greater than 180 degree. So ipo indha two la these two and all polygon. Appo indha first one is concave polygon. Okay, so this is in the last class we have seen that definitions and all. Now we will continue the same exercise 3.1. This is also a 2 mark. The question is given, how many diagonals, see the question, how many diagonals does each of the following have? So இப்போ இதில் எத்தனை diagonals வரும்? What is the definition of diagonal அப்படின்றது we all know. So in this question, a convex quadrilateral having how many diagonals? அதே மாதிரி a regular hexagon having how many diagonals? Triangle has how many diagonals அப்படின்றது தான் நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறோம். Okay, now so convex quadrilateral. In quadrilateral having how many sides? 4 sides. Very good. So first we write the definition of the diagonal. What is the definition of diagonal? அப்படின்றது first write பண்ணுவோம். A diagonal is a line segment. Diagonal is a line segment joining two non-consecutive vertices. That is the definition of diagonal. Diagonal is a line segment joining two non-consecutive vertices. First question is a convex quadrilateral. So convex quadrilateral அப்படின்னும்போது right, convex quadrilateral இதுதான் given இப்போ நமக்கு. Convex quadrilateral. Okay, in convex quadrilateral பார்த்தீங்கன்னா convex quadrilateral has two diagonals. Quadrilateral means how many sides it have? 4 sides. Exactly 4 sides. So 4 sides அப்படின்னும்போது, see for example I am drawing a rectangle. It is a notice that it is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. So இதோட diagonal எப்படி இருக்கும்னா oppositeல join ஆகும். So it has 1, 2. So 2 diagonals. So a convex quadrilateral has convex quadrilateral. It has 2 diagonals. Okay, next question is what? A regular hexagon. A regular hexagon. See, I am drawing a regular hexagon. The hexagon having 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, see, in this vertices I will draw a diagonal. 1, 2, 3. Non-consecutive point வரக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லுங்க. So it is a consecutive point. Okay வா, இந்த 2 வந்து non-consecutive. So non-consecutive போது remaining vertices join பண்ணிருக்கோம். Next I will take here நம்மோது this diagonal 1, 2, 3. Okay, here this is not. Okay, இது already one draw பண்ணியாச்சு. This is the second one. This one is third. Okay, here in this point vertices 1, 2 already 1 and 2 is done. Now 3. Okay, see here already 3 vertices vandirchu create பண்ணியாச்சு. Here also 3 vertices vandirchu. So that now we count the diagonal. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. Okay, இது already அங்க வந்துட்டு. Here 7 8 already இங்க வந்துச்சு. So here one 9. So totally 9 vertices. Okay, so in a regular hexagon has 9 diagonals. Sorry, vertices 9 diagonals. A regular hexagon has 9 diagonals. Okay, the next question is a triangle. See, the next question is triangle. A triangle. So triangle பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it may be differ. Right angle triangle இருக்கு, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle அந்த மாதிரி வரும்போது, so in triangle, for example I am taking this triangle, it is a triangle, இல்லை right angle triangle, இதில் இருந்து diagonal draw பண்ண முடியும்னா we can't able to draw. So triangle வந்து non consecutive vertices சொல்லியிருக்கோம் draw பண்ணுறதுக்கு. Here இங்கே consecutive vertices தான் வருது, so that we can't able to draw a diagonal. So it has 0 diagonal. Okay, so triangle it has 0 diagonal. 0 diagonal means no diagonal. That is no diagonal. Okay, it has 0 diagonal. That is no diagonal. Okay. Now next question number 3. That is a 5 mark. Say what is the sum of measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral? Okay, sum of measures of angles of convex quadrilateral என்னன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? இந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆச்சுன்னா the quadrilateral is not convex ஆகுமா? இப்போ என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, மேக் அ நான் கான்வெக்ஸ் குவாடிலேட்டரல் அண்ட் ட்ரை. ஓகே, ஸோ நான் கான்வெக்ஸ் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒரு குவாடிலேட்டரல் ட்ரா பண்ணிவிட்டு அதை ட்ரை பண்ணிவிட்டு வாட் இஸ் த சம் ஆஃப் தி மெஷர் ஆஃப் த கான்வெக்ஸ் குவாடிலேட்டரல் அப்படின்றத நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ நவ் so what is the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral? நமக்கு தெரியும் sum of the angle of a triangle. Angle sum property ட்ரா பண்ணாலே sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so now they are asking the quadrilateralக்கு நம்ம sum பண்ணும்போது what is that? இப்போ it's 4 sides இருக்கு அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா see 4 sides இருக்குது. What is the total angle of a quadrilateral அப்படின்னா that is 360 degree. ஓகேவா? ஸோ இதை தான் நம்ம இப்போ வந்து ப்ரூஃப் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகே, now sum of the measures of 4 angles of a convex quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, sum of measures of 4 angles of a convex quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, so example இப்போ நம்ம draw பண்ண போகிறோம். So take your pencil, draw a diagram. Use scale. So this is a diagram of quadrilateral, 4 sides. The quadrilateral having 4 sides layer, so that I am draw a quadrilateral. Use scale and pencil, draw a diagram. Okay, see 1 2 3 4 here 4 sides are there. It is a quadrilateral. I am dividing this quadrilateral into two triangles. Clear? See, consider this part, it's a triangle. This is also a triangle. Okay, so two triangles are there. So I am writing A, B, C. This point is vertex is D. Okay, so this is in triangle ABD. This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Now here angle 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 3 angles are there, 4, 5, 6 here, 3 angles are there. Okay, so it is a 2 triangles are here. Is it correct or not? 2 triangles are there. What is the sum of the total angle of triangle? That is 180 degree. 180 degree பண்ணிருக்கோம்ல. So here 180 degree, here also 180 degree. So 180 plus 180 is what? 360 degree. Okay. Write the construction of this diagram. Draw a figure. Draw a figure given below, given above, and divide it. இது என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்? Divide பண்ணிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? Divide it and divide it into two triangles. Into two triangles by joining AB. Named. So இப்போ AB join பண்ணி we draw a diagram. So இதுக்கு name எப்படி கொடுக்குறோம் அப்படின்னா CAB. CAB, it's a triangle. Then another one triangle is DAB. So now two triangles are there. Now in triangle, first triangle DAB consider பண்றோம். See in the upper part DAB in triangle AB, otherwise DBA, same only. Okay, now see in triangle DBA la pathinga appadina what are the angles we have? Angle A plus angle B plus angle D. 3 angles are there. Okay, 1 2 3 mark பண்ணிருக்கோமா? See angle A, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. So angle D, angle B, angle A. 3 angles are there. So we all know the sum of the total angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle D plus angle B plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. Clear? So write measurement, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so using the angle sum property right here, using எங்க அப்ளை பண்ணிருக்கோம்? using angle sum property. Okay, angle sum property, right. Next அதே மாதிரி same thing also consider the another triangle. What is that? CAB போட்டுக்கோங்க. CAB triangle CAB. Okay, in triangle CAB we consider the same thing, measurement of angle 4. See, angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Very good. So measurement of angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now this is equation 1, it is equation 2. Now we add 1 plus 2. So add பண்ணும்போது we get angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 180 plus 180. 180 plus 180 is what? 360. Okay, so here also we are using angle sum property right here. இது எப்படி வந்து angle sum property. Angle sum property. Next we add equation 1 and 2. Adding. Now write adding equation 1 plus 2. So what we have? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6, okay, equal to 180 degree plus 180 degree is equal to 360 degree, okay. So add the angles, we add all the angles, we get 360 degree. Thus we show that a quadrilateral, it is a quadrilateral area. So the total angle, sum of the measure of the four angles of a convex quadrilateral is what? 360 degree. It's a convex quadrilateral. All the angles are less than 180 degree, okay. So that it is a quadrilateral, that total measure of the angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So write the final statement. It shows that this is a final solution, that a quadrilateral which is not convex also, அது கான்வெக்ஸாக இருந்தாலும் சரி நாட் கான்வெக்ஸாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, also have sum of measure of its angles is 360 degree. Okay students, the quadrilateral which is not a convex or which is not convex or convex, the sum of the measure of its angle should be 360 degree. This is a property we are using, that we will find the remaining angles of the given question. We will use this in this exercise. We will do the sums, okay. So in this class we have seen about the diagonals எப்படி find out பண்ணுறது. Some questions are given a convex quadrilateral, regular hexagon, triangle இது கொடுத்துருந்தாங்க. So அதுக்கு we draw a diagonals. How many diagonals are there? Otherwise it may be a diagonal or not என்றது பார்த்துட்டு, triangle பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it does not have a diagonal, no diagonal அப்படின்றத ரைட் பண்ணிட்டோம். So next thing வந்து the 5 marks sum. So இதில் என்ன கொடுத்துருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா, what is the sum of the measure of angles of a convex quadrilateral அப்படின்றது கேட்டிருந்தாங்க. Will this property hold it is a not convex இருந்தாலும் satisfy ஆகுமா அப்படின்றத செக் பண்ண சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க. So we draw a diagram. It has 4 sides but we split into 2 triangles. இதை சென்டரில் நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது, ஒரு லைன் டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது we get an 2 triangles. So we all know the property, angles and property into we know that using that property, the sum of the angle of a triangle is, total sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Applying that, so divide பண்ணி அதை apply பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா, so each part of a triangle, each angle of a triangle is அப்படின்றது என்னன்னு எடுத்துட்டு we add that, we using that property, it is 180 degree மார்க் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்.